Air conditioning recover 2014 Dodge Durango. Doesn't look much like a Dodge Durango. We got a little bit of damage right there. And again, I have my sight glass on because I just came from the other vehicle right there that I did a recovery, which 134, to this vehicle that's 134. And we'll repeat that test again on this vehicle to show you one more time. So here we go, we're into recovery mode. We're negative, but as you can see, my valves are not screwed in yet. They're turned off, so there's no attachment to refrigerant going on. And so let's screw this in right here on the low side, suction on the high port, and you'll see the pressure go up. There you go, the pressure is up. And our standing pressure is 42 psi. And we're there, and let's turn it on, and we will watch the pump here as it pulls down. You don't see nothing, and why did it go so low so fast? Oh, stupid me. How about if I open up the refrigerant port? Okay, we're at 66. Boom, there, I just opened it up. Now you can see it go down, go in. Watch it. Now, you see a phenomenon going on here. Liquid is coming here, but there's actually vapor going in there. Let me shut this off. Oh, let's give you a better look. So, vapor is going into the machine. There's nothing but vapor coming out of the car going into the machine. But liquid is going into the tank. Vapor goes in, goes through a condenser, gets condensed, and hits its saturation point, turns into a liquid, and then comes out as a liquid. Let me shut this off so we can get that cool a little more. We're watching the high side pressure over there. And nothing is moving because it can't go anywhere because I shut this valve off. Now I'm going to open it. Watch what happens. Boom. You see the pressure went down from 106. I'll close it again. Let's check what our pressures are in the system. It shows it's pretty damn low. So I could open it up to the high side now because there's no liquid in there. No liquid in this glass, so there's no liquid, it's all vapor. It's up to 112, 114. I'm going to open this up and you're going to watch it move. Boom, there it goes. We're down to 0 in this refrigerant recovery hose. We're at 110 at the discharge of the unit. We're at 13 at this part, at the sensors that are up in here. They show a discrepancy because of losses through ports. We're still in the recovery mode. Now there's a lot of liquid refrigerant that is still trapped in that condenser that is not coming out through here. The flow has reduced a lot because we're just taking off a little vapor, and the mass quantity of refrigerant that's being pulled has greatly decreased. We're down to negative sensor by the sensor that it's located in here. We're still at positive 10 by the sensor that is located at these ports over here. And if you had another sensor over here, it would probably be, say, like 12 or 15 because it's farther away from it, the actual sensing ports. All right, so I'll do that again. Let's do a purge again. So I'm going to go from recovery and I'm going to turn it over to purge. And this is actually not when I'd normally do it. I'm only doing this for display purposes, just to show you what happens. Because as you can see in here, There's almost no liquid. There's nothing moving. When I put it still, check it out. There's nothing that you can see moving because mostly what's coming through here right now I'm pushing through is vapor. So I'll turn it to the purge. When I turn it to a purge, all the liquid in the system that is in the condenser will come out and be forced out to purge out the system. So I got my fingers right here, and you'll see when I do purge because you'll see it come out. 1, 2, 3. Boom, there. I am now purging out all the liquid that is trapped in the condenser in this recovery machine. It is no longer pulling through here. This is shut off. This is not on. It's not pulling from here. It's only cleaning out the system, and that's what you're seeing. And to test that, oh, we timed out. Get that back on. So with the system off to this hose, the pressure should slowly go up. Yeah, slowly rising back up as the refrigerant that is trapped in the oil in the system warms up by absorbing moisture out of the atmosphere. It reboils and bubbles back out of the refrigerant oil, repressurizing the whole system like Coca-Cola. Like when you remove and you release the pressure of CO2 in your Coca-Cola, you put the cap back on and it starts making pressure again. Same thing happening. All right, I'm gonna close up for now. I'll see you guys next time. I gotta get on, more work to do. See ya. That's it for today.